So, pera po ng 20 minutes ng inyong hapon. Ako po si Boy, and welcome to Fashion. She's one of the greatest actors on Philippine television. Hi, Tay Kapuso, please welcome the one and the only, Connie Reyes.
They talked to me, they told me about the story because I'm not familiar with it. This is a Korean adaptation, you know that. But I'm not familiar with the Korean adaptation. I tried to look, but I didn't really watch. My character, Oria de la Costa, is a restaurateur. She's an affluent woman. Nagka-dementia ako dito. And Alzheimer's. So, I'm always open to a challenge. Sabi ko, paano ko kaya gagampanan yun? I've played practically every kind of role. From mabait, to mamasan, to bar dancer, you know, all that kinds in my show. Iba-iba sila, Boy. Iba-iba ang personalities nila. I could see that they're hungering for something. They have goals. They're trying to reach out and see their goals materialize in different ways. Iba-iba silang personality.
Did you expect him to be in public service?
No. No. That's why when he ran for councilor at the start, medyo nagulat ako. Dumaan siya sa bahay kasi he wasn't living with me at the time. He was on his own na. He dropped by, I said, "You want merienda?" So we were really merienda. And he just told me. So ako naman, I respect his decisions. I know he doesn't just make a decision overnight like that. He consults, he prays. You know, basta I'm so blessed, I'm so proud, and I just want to encourage him because he's on the right track.
Shining, sparkling.
Shine.
Gold or bold?
Bold.
Kate or...
Pero bold ano ha?
Yeah, of course.
Bold, courageous.
Yeah, brave. Okay.
Brave.
Mayaman sa pera, mayaman sa pagmamahal.
Bold.
Matamis na halik, mahigpit na yakap.
Mahigpit na yakap.
Striktong ina o konsentidor na lola?
Konsentidoran lola.
Guilty or not guilty? Nanugod ng babae.
Ay, never.
Guilty or not guilty? Nanugod ng...
Pero hindi sa ayaw parang gustong-gusto pero nagpipigil. Diba?
Guilty or not guilty? May binasted na artista.
Siyempre, di ba parang...
Self first or others first?
Minsan nagiging others first ako. Parang dapat mo balance talaga.
Is that lights on or lights off?
What am I doing?
I'll give the context to you.
When I'm about to sleep, I want the lights off.
Happiness or chocolates?
What kind of happiness? I like happiness, and I like happiness with chocolates.
Best time for
With
happiness?
my family, my apos. Wow, talaga.
Your shining inheritance in life. Ano ito?
I'd like to think it's my life, my love for the Lord that I want to pass on to my children, my children's children, and the generations after. What do you think God has planned for you? I know God's plan for you is to prosper you, not to harm you. It's to give you hope and an even better future, more up ahead. Pero ikaw sa puso mo, ano ba talaga yung gusto mo? Sa'yo na halos lahat. Ano pa ang gusto mo? Ano, Boy? Ano? It was so much fun. Actually, inisip ko nga, magkakasya kayong usapan namin sa 20 minutes sa mga gustong itanong sa akin. I wish that we could talk again sometime. Sobrang sincero din siya. So, you know, I know he misses his mom. So, yun, nakaka-relate ako sa kanya. So, I'm grateful. I'm thankful that he gave me this time. Basta, I enjoy ako. Sobra. Thank you.